There are various different techniques for learning piano, whether lessons with instructors or online. But if you want to learn how to perfect any song or play any song for piano, then here are the guidelines for playing a new piece. First, you pick out the piece you are going to play. Today, we will be playing Alouette. And you section the song into smaller measures, including a note from the next section. Starting with the first section, you then name all the notes in the section, from order of bass clef to treble clef.
C, E, G, C, D, E, E, B, F, G, D, C, D, E, C, E, G, C, E.
Once you have named all the notes, you play and name notes. You play the notes with the finger that would actually play it when performing the piece.
C, E, G, C, D, E, E, B, F, G, D, C, D, E.
After you are comfortable naming and playing the notes, you move on to counting and tapping with your hand. First, you count and tap with your right hand. After doing that correctly, you count and tap with just your left hand. Then you tap both together.
1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4.
After tapping and counting both together correctly, you slowly play each hand separately. So first you play your right hand to help continue counting.
1, 2.
Then once you feel confident with that, you play the left hand part. Once you can play both hands apart, then you play both hands together slowly. After achieving both hands together, then you pick up the tempo to the actual tempo of the piece. After that, you continue the same process for each part or section of the song. Here is the final playing each section together. After you have done each section, you can play the whole thing together. And that's how you learn a song on the piano.